house. That's why.
You're gonna give her a ride to
Mm,
her own house?
her house?
It's not her house, it's her parents.
For the
And
Mm.
win!
if we're going there early, that way we can get
What
there
a
on
team!
time. I can start doing my thing.
She can meet you at her dad's house.
Huh? What you say? Smart?
Said she
What a
Huh?
I
team!
said she can't meet you at her dad's house.
She can, but she also said she will help me. So
Oh, okay.
I need help getting all this, food out my house and like getting set up and stuff.
Okay. You need help.
D
He's the
think it's
cook.
a beat session.
That's what it sounds like to me. Before or after.
It does sound like that, yeah. You let her simple no. um let me stop. You
What you
when is the party?
what you say? This is not a party. This is just
It's an
people chilling.
unauthorized
No, 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 no,
gathering.
no. It's not.
That's what it
Y'all
is.
can't say it's a party, but it is.
It's not.
It's a
I'm
get
sh-
together, it's a kickback.
right.
What a team!
Kickback, uh,
Not
cookout.
much petty work.
Yeah.
Give a dog a bone.
I'm gonna tell the CEO on y'all.
Oh, for real? Okay. See, that's why I was telling you. Them people on the other side be snitching.
My side, they are some snitches.
Oh, it said if it
Mm-mm.
was an ogre, I need to run away.
Shoot, y'all got Columbus and Takashi.
What's Takashi?
6ix9ine.
Takashi
No,
69. Oh my god.
Oh, but on our team.
no, I'm
Never
just
mind.
saying in general.
No.
Period.
Oh, snitches.
What a
Yeah.
team!
You just
It
now
took me a
caught
long
on to
time.
that?
It took me a little minute. I got it.
Supposed to run away.
Run away with me.
Run away, love.
Mm.
It says
Every
if
man
it's an
gotta do something.
ogre, then you're supposed to run away. That's what I was doing. Maybe I'm supposed to run to a different spot. How about there?
Like TK, I'm just trying to be nice. I'm just trying to be a good teammate.
What a team!
Mm, I'm messy.
No, I left my messy days alone.
Mm,
This is just me just chilling.
dang. Okay.
That's it. That's all I do. I chill.
Why isn't it running away?
Did it stop raining?
41, 47.
I can't believe it's gonna be the first time in couple weeks that I've probably worked 5 days.
Mm-mm. Congratulations.
I don't want 375.
That's a big accomplishment for real though, because it's tough.
It really
It
is.
is.
What a team!
It is. It's mentally hard.
Mentally, yeah.
E and
But
D both dipped out today.
but
It
I
is
will say this:
time to
if
go.
anybody can, hold on, if anybody could be the be the person that goes, you know what?
Maybe because
Let's
I'm
not
ogre so
normalize a
long.
5 day work week. Let's do four.
What a team!
It could be, my CEO.
Yeah, they are testing that out actually on our side,
Just not for us.
just not for us yet. I'm
Not for
surprised they
our
didn't
team.
start with the most the new baby of the company.
I
Testing
didn't like
that
that.
You see they have a
Who,
Slack
y'all?
channel now?
Yep.
Oh, yeah. I was talking about